It's day 1, 2, 3. Day 3. Day 3 morning. Right now is around 5:50, almost 6. And of course, my wife and I cannot sleep late. So we wake up in the morning and now we're gonna go hunt for breakfast. Random places. Alright, let's see what we can find. It is much harder to find a breakfast place here than in Tokyo. So we're just gonna keep walking around. It's a little raining right now. I think it's gonna rain on and off all day long. But what can you do? You gotta embrace the mother nature. We are taking the train to Arashiyama. Compared to yesterday in Tokyo, look at that. There's like no one here. Yesterday, it was like sardine in Tokyo. We can't even breathe. There's so many people. Change the scenery. So yesterday we woke up early. We went to the Arashiyama forest. It was pouring rain. So we stopped by the coffee. It was good, right, Kaiden?
Yeah.
The food was great. I mean, it looks good. I didn't get anything, but the family did. So we got to bamboo forest, and it's pouring down, raining. So we find this little tiny coffee and waffle. We're gonna eat and wait for the rain to maybe stop.
Potato sauce. One matcha latte, one slice of sauce, and cinnamon butter.
What is this?
Cafe is white mocha.
White mocha.
Enjoy my white mocha. Ooh, it's good. It's really good. It's not a coffee. Raining and enjoy a cup of coffee is the best. Hi guys, we're out here in the bamboo forest and it's raining.
It's raining hard.
It's really raining.
Everybody's soaking wet. It's really dark in the forest.
And there's a car right there.
I didn't know that you can drive the car in the forest, but people are doing it. You're buying amulets for Uncle Mike. In the rain, of course.
Yeah. 12, 16, 20.
And then we went to Arashiyama forest. It's still raining, so we just take a bunch of pictures. And we went back to the... What did we do?
The pigeon. It's a pigeon. It's a pigeon.
Stop it.
It's a pigeon.
What did we do after the Arashiyama?
The book off.
Huh?
Book off.
Yes. So we decided to go to the book off. The plan was to go to the bridge, Toketsu Bridge, and then the monkey park. But you know, the rain, we can't do it. So we went to the book off, and I got a watch. I got some figurine thingy, and we go home. And no, we went to this Hama Sushi. It was really, really good. It was cheap we ate really full for like $56.
よろしければ注文するを押してください。ご注文ありがとうございます。
It's in English. It's in Japanese. Okay, which one? Let's see now. Ari, what's
tuna.
nigiri? Okay, 3 tuna. That's up to
Go. Yay, our food's here.
That's for tea. What's this little conveyor belt? I guess you just put it on
3-piece
top.
tuna.
Piece salmon.
3-piece salmon.
Just put on each other. And 2
Choose piece fatty to salmon. Oh, they got more sushi. A lot more.
Ba lấy gì mẹ coi ba.
These are some soup that we ordered. Stop playing with it.
What did you get?
And we went home, and I think I just went to bed immediately. I went to bed at like 3 p.m. Family skipped dinner.